most excited about is for the customer who has so much Pampered Chef in their home, and now they really don't have to really invest in a large amount of money, to get started. Now they can start a business for as little as $29, because where can you start a business for $29? You can't.
So I'm super excited about the Quick Start Kit because it's going to allow those people that don't have the money to start up with to get started, and hopefully it'll change their lives. And some people don't want to make that bigger investment, so that's a great entryway for them.
I feel that we have the best business opportunity, and to allow to have a kit for $29 that can just touch everyone and help everyone get started right away, I think it's just incredible. It's going to open amazing doors for us.
For me, it would be, again, customers and hosts that have a lot of products. It would also be people who can afford the 3 kits that we currently have. I feel like it would also be great to offer to consultants that have left the business and would like to come back. So there are a lot of different people that I think that would be impacted by this kit.
Past hosts, current hosts, even like family and friends that maybe have been watching from the sideline and just want to give it a try for only $29. But even those, young millennials that are looking for a side gig to just make a little bit of extra holiday cash.
I totally agree with everything that both Claudia and Sharon said, but I would also add our virtual consultants that are able to immediately start earning cash for just a $29 investment. It's going to be awesome. And when we talk about kits, it's about helping people make money and get things for themselves and for their family, whether it be product or income or, again, as a side gig. So I think if you focus on that instead of focusing on the $29, the reality is they can get it for free, never mind $29 if they host a show. But we want to just be able to say to people, we can help you earn income right away. And with the Quick Kit, you can start this week and, in just a couple of weeks have your first check.
I think we have to take each specific, situation, as really a business opportunity for each person that we meet. At a checkout on a show, if you're going live on a virtual, if you're reaching out, with a customer connection email, reaching out by text to past hosts, guests.
Yeah, I was thinking of marketing it at shows with the higher kits first, and then offering this $29 kit as an option for those customers that already have quite a bit of our products.
Share the business.
Change someone's life.
One meal, one memory at a time.